Welcome back everyone, a different type of video on the second channel. So I've been seeing a lot of requests for people asking, what are the best weather apps? And honestly, nobody's asked me this, but I've seen a lot of posts on Reddit and everything. And since Apple actually bought Dark Sky a while ago, I figured I might as well compile some of the best ones that I've seen that a lot of people have talked about. Again, I haven't really used these ones too much, but based on everybody's input, these are the top 3 that I've been able to find. But what I want to ask you is if you have a different opinion or whatever, let me know in the comment section below. I can update this list and make another one a couple months from now or even next month or next week if you guys want to see it. But the 3 that are listed, and I'll leave these linked in the description, that I saw that a ton of people talked about. Again, none of these are sponsored. The first one is Today Weather, which is kind of like a whatever type of name. The next one is AccuWeather, and then one after that is One Weather. And it's pretty much in this order of, how many people have, said these, like basically hyped these things up. So starting with the first one, which is Today Weather. I like this layout a lot. I've seen some screenshots of Dark Sky and it does look really nice. I think you had to pay for that actually. I don't really remember. But this whole entire weather app does look really, really nice. So you can go ahead and input your location and all that. Now as soon as you get on, you have this little screenshot of whatever it is outside, which is kind of neat, I guess. You have the weather right here and it does look really, really clean. It looks pretty professional too, which is something that I really liked. I've seen a lot of other weather apps that they just kind of look childish. This one looks a lot more sophisticated in a way. You have the weather here, you have a ton of different details right here, which, if you're going somewhere, if you need a lot of info, this is a great little thing to look at. I guess you have a sponsored post here, you have a ton of different information here, the daily type of weather and averages between those days. But one thing I just don't like is how far you have to kind of scroll down. I mean, that's kind of like a petty thing to talk about. On some other weather apps, as you'll see, you can kind of swipe through and get some different info. And this one is a little bit different, but it's, again, that's like a petty thing. Like if I had to complain about something, it'd probably be that. But even that isn't a big deal. So this one is Today Weather. You have a lot of different options. You can customize the city and add a different place if you want to, which is really, really awesome. And that one really pretty much covers that one. So again, this will be linked down below. The next one is AccuWeather, and I've actually heard a lot about this one. And this one seems a little bit more, it looks more like a standard news type of channel, and it gives you a lot more info, in my opinion, than Today Weather. So as soon as you scroll down, you can kind of see some videos here, which is really cool. You can still swipe down, which I don't really like swiping down too much. And I guess they give you some allergy stuff here too. But the one thing I like about this is, first of all, you can swipe down, do that, which I don't know if this one allows you. So this one does not allow you to swipe down either, to refresh it, which is okay. But here you can get into the hourly by swiping, which is really cool. You can see that right here. So if you quickly want to get to something, you just kind of do this. And then from here you can get into the hourly or the daily or whatever. And I hate how it just keeps saying swipe because I keep swiping back and it's just so annoying. But you can get a ton of different info this way too, which is really cool. So this one is nice. I like it a little bit. It's not like my favorite one either. I like the way Today Weather looks more than this one. I don't know if there's a dark mode for it. So it doesn't look like there's a, oh, maybe there is. Oh, so there is a dark mode. That's really, really nice. So as you can see, you still have a dark mode on this app too, which is really cool. So this one is AccuWeather. Now the last one is One Weather, and this is another one that I've heard a lot of people talk about. This one, it's like AccuWeather and this one kind of have the same thing kind of going on, but this one is a little bit more sophisticated. This is like AccuWeather and Today Weather had a baby, it would probably be this one. So you saw the videos here, you still have a lot of different things. It looks a lot more sophisticated, but you can also go and swipe, and I guess you can just see some breaking news that comes up every once in a while, and you can still swipe through and get a ton of different info that way too, which is really cool. So this one kind of has like a dark mode and light mode kind of going at the same time. And if it came down to it, dude, I probably like this one more than the other ones, which is weird. So those are the top 3 ones that I've been able to find. Again, these will all be linked down below if you want to check them out. If you have any other apps that you would recommend, let me know in the comment section below and I'll check them out. That's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel. All those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate if you guys would check it out. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.